I think being out in nature feels like a lot of things. Like being out now in the winter feels very quiet and peaceful and clean because everything's still, you know, more plants are dead, there's less people outside, so it feels more reflective. Being outside in the summertime feels like goddess's gift or something. And then sometimes you're challenging yourself. So being outside is hard. Sometimes you're thinking a lot. So being outside can be a lot of turmoil inside or a lot of insight inside. So it's never just one thing.